Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to find someone outfit on Imvu. So let's go. You need someone ID to find my outfit. Go to your browser, search for photos, and will pin this link in description. You can
Every word I
copy
move so
from there.
descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
As
I
you
got
can
facts
see,
over tracks, this
go
and that,
to
spitting slow,
this
spitting
icon.
fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay
You
at last,
can
but I don't
find
know if that
outfits
can erase all the past and the
only
pettiness.
and
A reflection of the emptiness,
you can
hilarious. You think you're
also
with my time, you're delirious, mysterious,
view
because you
someone's
hide behind a
profile.
fake exterior,
I
inferior. You
will
know I'll
not
always be a bit
recommend this
superior. Get
private
off of me,
friend
this ain't no
before
humble
it's
brag. I want
useless.
you to hear words, you can say them back.
Go
I
to
want you to
outfits.
feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built
We
to
will
last, yeah.
select someone ID.
Now that I've been put through hell, I
I will
never
copy
got
this ID
anyone's help.
truly
I had to do it all
or
myself.
search
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I
fully.
got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
As you
tough
can
and wanna
see,
hate this, I'll always show up and make
fully
a statement.
outfits.
I don't ever slow up, no
You
I don't
can
take shit. I
click
got
on
no
outfit
love
and you
for
can
the
also
fakeness. If you wanna play tough
buy
and wanna hate this,
products
I'll
from
always show
here.
up and make a statement.
Outfits and check their products.
Mental health is confidence.
I hope you like this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.
Thoughts in my head